All right, we're getting ready to go up, TP Nation. Charles, come grab the reef. Come on, son. Charles has his tablet and he's playing. Here, grab the tab. Come grab it.
I'm gonna put it in there.
Just put it on the ground for Daddy. All right, Charles, do me a favor and hand me those screws. Hand me that thing over there, Charles, on top of the trash can. Nope, just one. Yes. Nope, just that one. I said one. Come on, Charles. Thank you. Don't want to show y'all no booty. So what we're going to do is take it up and kind of put where we want the camera to be. I'm thinking the best place to put the camera is kind of in the middle.
Yes, we are.
Maybe like right here. Yeah, right there. You want to drill your holes good. All right, y'all. We got to put a little bit faster speed. I probably should have had a mask on because dust is flying everywhere. All right. All right, now we got our 3 holes drilled for our bracket to go up. What we're gonna do is put some screws in here and put this bracket mount. Now this bracket is kind of cheaply made. They should have used some more parts of galvanized stuff, but we're gonna see if it works fine. All right, Charles, hand me those screws right there.
What?
On top of the trash can right here. Right here, Charles. Yep. Yep.
This is like hot.
Bring it to me.
I don't know.
No, don't throw it. Just hand it to me. Come up the ladder. Y'all, I need help. That's good, Charles. Thank you. It comes with these little, mounting wall brackets. You probably could just use some blue screws, but I think it should hold. Look like my hole that maybe a little bit bigger. Well, The first issue is that the hole is not big enough. So we got to get another drill bit. Walking slow on my surgery knee, y'all. So y'all hold on a second. All right, we got a bigger drill bit. We're gonna try this out.
He's great, Daddy.
We got a little bit bigger drill bit. Y'all believe the battery just died? But we refuse to give up. All right, that worked perfect. That worked perfect for that one. All right, that one's in there. Let me see if I can get just enough torque just to put this hole in there. All right, we got that to work. It comes with 4 screws. You only have 3 holes, but it does come with 4 screws. All you need is so TP Nation, I'm gonna have to pause and go get another drill. All right, I'm back. I got a drill. Huh? All right, we're going back up, y'all. Gotta go slow. My surgery knee. Ah. Ah. All right, now we're gonna screw it in. Come with some little cheesy screws and stuff, but we'll make them work. All right. First one goes in there. All right. Charles asked me, am I done? He's sitting down there playing video games and going to have the audacity to ask me, am I done? All right. Oh. Our Eufy bracket is now installed. Charles, can you bring me the camera? And And do not drop it, son, please.
I got bears. Daddy, I got bear on my tablet.
Okay, bring me the camera.
I got the camera.
Don't drop it.
Okay. I'm coming on the ladder.
Let me come down a little bit so you don't drop it. Okay, come on. Come on up. Hold the ladder. Come on. Thank you, Charles.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so you kind of screw it in the back of it, I guess. That's probably the better way. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'm supposed to put the bracket up first and then screw it on. I don't know. Screw the little bracket on the back of it. I've got it screwed in. All right, so now take it. You want to turn the solar side up. All right, you screw it in. So I think I'm going to aim it kind of towards my driveway so I can see when cars come in. Or maybe I probably should aim it down this way so it covers everything. Let's do that instead. All right, so we kind of got it down. We're going to take the paper off the front of it. It comes with a protective film. The solar part is on top. It's mounted pretty tight. So that's our installation of our Sofie S40 solar camera. It has the solar part on top. All it needs is 2 hours of sun to operate, pretty much 8 hours a day. So now we've got our solar cam operated. It's ready to go. You don't have to worry about replacing batteries. Just let the solar get into it. I think it's made of pretty good quality. It has great weight on it. The mounting bracket seems to be okay. May have to change that eventually, but right now I'm pretty satisfied with it. So this is how we install the Sofie, the Eufy Solar S40 camera. Simple install. Drill bit. You're gonna need a cement drill bit if you're drilling into bricks or whatever, or cement. You need a cement drill bit, and that's pretty much it. I want to say thank y'all for tuning in to Taylor's Pride Homestead as we are upgrading and making our place what we want it to be, one day at a time. Please remember to keep my mom in your prayers. I'm trying to do these videos in between her being in the hospital, just as to keep my mind focused on something else besides my mom. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Have a great day.